Do you like halo-halo? What are the ingredients of halo-halo? Halo-halo consists of bananas, black mango beans, kaong, makapuno, ube, leche flan, milk, and ice. Do you know that halo-halo is a mixture? Solid materials can be mixed with liquid materials. Some solid materials completely dissolved in the liquid materials, but others do not. Some solid materials settled at the bottom of the container, while others stayed within the liquid. Some solid materials spread out evenly in the liquid materials, but some do not. When mixed with liquid, some solid materials change their size, shape, and color, but some do not. Many things around us keep changing. Liquid materials can be mixed with other liquid materials, while some liquid materials completely mix with other liquids. Some do not. Two liquids that do not mix form two layers like what you see with oil and water. When the materials are heated, they also change their size, shape, and texture. They also change their forms. When heated, the solid materials are changed to liquid. When cooled, the liquid materials are changed to solid. Materials such as crayon, chocolate, butter, or margarine change back to its form from liquid to solid when cooled. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe changes in properties of materials when exposed to certain conditions such as temperature or when mixed with other materials. I am Teacher Joanne, your amazing science teacher. I will help you unravel the majestic world of science. For your attendance, kindly write your name and school in the comment section below. Thank you, learners. As you study, keep in mind that the facts and concepts you are about to learn are not ends in themselves, but they are tools to help you understand better the world where you live. Bear in mind the word love. L, look. O, observe. V, verify. E, explain. Some of the key concepts in science towards optimum achievements. Mixing solids with liquids. It's eating time! Delicious and nutritious. Click the like icon if the picture is a homogeneous mixture or the heart icon if it's a heterogeneous mixture. Number 1. Halo-halo. Heart or like? If your answer is a heart, tremendous. Number 2. Mango dish. Heart or like? If your answer is a heart, very good. Number 3. Milk. Heart or like? If your answer is like, wow. Number 4. Adobo. Heart or like? If your answer is a heart, wonderful. Number 5. Juice. Heart or like? If your answer is like, marvelous. Experiment time! Please ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Prepare the following materials. Plastic spoon, plastic cup, water, and salt. Put the water in the drinking glass. Using the spoon, mix or combine the salt with water. After mixing the materials, Observe what happened. Again, ask for the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Observe what happened. Are there changes that occur after mixing the salt with water? Observe what happened. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Prepare the following materials: plastic spoon, plastic glass, milk, and water. Put the water in the drinking glass. Using the spoon, get a teaspoon of milk. Mix the milk in the water. After mixing the materials, observe what happens. Are there any changes that occur? Again, ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Observe what happened. And for our last and final experiment, prepare the following materials. Again, ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Plastic spoon, mango seeds, plastic cup, and water. Place the water in the drinking glass. Get a teaspoon of mango seeds. Mix it with the water. After mixing the materials, observe what happens. Are there any changes that occur? Again, ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Observe what happened. What happened to the mango seed once mixed with water? Are there any changes that occur? Let us answer the following questions based from our experiment. Did the solid material completely dissolve in the liquid material? Yes or no? If your answer is a yes, write Y. And if it is a no, write N in our comment section below. Number 1. Salt and water. Y or N? If your answer is a Y, excellent. Number 2, powdered milk and water. Y or N? If your answer is Y, smart. Number 3, mango seeds and water. Y or N? If your answer is N, stunning. Learning circuit. Solid materials can be mixed or combined with liquid materials. Some solid materials completely dissolve in liquid materials, while others do not. Some solid materials settle at the bottom of the container, while others stayed within the liquid. Some solid materials spread out evenly in the liquid materials, while some do not. When mixed with liquids, some solid materials change their size, shape, and color, while some do not. What's more, choose the letter of the correct answer. Write the letter of your answer in our comment box below. Number 1. Which of the following solid materials completely dissolve in liquid? A. Milk. B. Mango seeds. C. Salt. D. Sand. If your answer is C, remarkable. Number 2. Which of the following solid materials spread out evenly in the liquid materials? A. Flour. B. Sand. C. Stones. D. Sugar. If your answer is D, impressive. Number 3. What might happen when sugar is mixed with water? A. The sugar will dissolve completely in water. B. The sugar will dissolve partially in water. C. The flour will not dissolve in water. And D. The sugar will not settle at the bottom of the water. If your answer is A, exemplary. Spectacular! Let's move on. Liquids mixed with liquids. Liquid is another phase of matter. Its size, shape, and fixed volume are dependent upon its container. Liquid materials can be mixed with other liquids, while some liquid materials completely mix with other liquids. Others form two layers like oil and water. May you discover more and learn a lot from this lesson. Mix me up! Did the solid material completely dissolve in liquid material? If it is a yes, click the heart icon. If not, click the like button. Number 1. Sugar and water. Heart or like? If your answer is a heart, bravo! Sand and vinegar. Heart or like? If your answer is like, awesome! Bechin and soy sauce. Heart or like? If your answer is heart, delightful. Experiment time! Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Materials needed: plastic spoon, plastic glass, alcohol, and water. Put some water on the drinking glass. Mix or combine alcohol with water. Using the spoon, mix the materials. After mixing or combining the materials, observe what happens. Seek the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. For our next experiment, prepare the following materials: plastic spoon, drinking glass, soy sauce, and vinegar. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Put some soy sauce on the drinking glass. Then, add some vinegar and mix it with the soy sauce. Stir the mixture using the plastic spoon. After mixing the materials, observe what happens. Are there any changes that occur after mixing the following materials? Next, let's have the following materials: plastic spoon, the drinking glass, water, and cooking oil. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Put some water on the drinking glass. Then add some cooking oil on it. Mix the materials using the spoon. After mixing the materials, observe what happens. Are there any changes that occur? Observe what happens. Observe what happens. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Materials needed: plastic spoon, drinking glass, soy sauce, and cooking oil. Put some soy sauce in the drinking glass. Then, add a small amount of cooking oil in the mixture. Mix. After mixing the soy sauce and the cooking oil, observe what happens. Closely look and observe. Again, ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Observe what happens. Let us answer the following questions based from our experiment. Did the two liquid materials completely mix? Yes or no? If your answer is yes, press the like button. If it is a no, press the heart button. Number 1. Alcohol and water. Heart or like? If your answer is like, you enlighten my day. Number 2, soy sauce and vinegar. Heart or like? If your answer is like, boom, correct. Number 3, cooking oil and water. Heart or like? If your answer is heart, now you've got it. Number 4, soy sauce and cooking oil. Heart or like? If your answer is heart, clever. Learning circuit. Liquid materials mix with other liquid materials, while some liquid materials completely mix with other liquids. Others form two layers like oil and water. What are some precautionary measures that we need to observe when mixing liquid material? Carefully read the ingredient list of any product or chemical use. What's more? Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write the letter of your answer in the comment box below. Number 1. Which of the following liquid materials mix completely? A. Alcohol and water. B. Cooking oil and water. C. Sand and water. If your answer is A, incredible! Number 2. Which of the following liquid materials did not mix completely? A. Oil and water. B. Vinegar and water. C. Water and alcohol. If your answer is A, phenomenal! Number 3. What might happen when water and soda Sprite mix together? A. It will mix completely. B. It will not mix completely. C. It will form two layers. If your answer is A, commendable. Wow, we've made it! Changes in the properties of materials when exposed to different temperatures. Properties of materials can change when exposed to different temperatures. Solid, liquid, and gas can change phases often because of a temperature change. The process of a solid becoming a liquid is called melting. The opposite process, a liquid becoming a solid, is called solidification. Liquids have a characteristic temperature at which they turn into solids known as their freezing point. Mix me up! Did the liquid material completely dissolve in liquid material? If it is a yes, click the heart icon. If not, click the like button. Number 1, soy sauce and oil. Heart or like? If your answer is like, stellar. Number 2, rubbing alcohol and water. Heart or like? If your answer is heart, superior. Number 3, fish sauce and vinegar. Heart or like? If your answer is a heart, magnificent. Experiment time! Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Materials needed: metal spoon, saucer, margarine, and pan. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Prepare a pan. Place the pan over a stove. Slowly put a small piece of margarine in the pan. Heat pan over slow fire. Observe what happens. Are there any changes that occur? Again, ask the assistance of your parents or guardian in doing the following activities. After a minute of heating the pan and the margarine, turn off the stove. Transfer the heated margarine or the liquefied margarine in a saucer. Let it cool down. After 2 minutes, put the saucer inside the refrigerator and leave it for about 5 minutes and observe what will happen. After 5 minutes, let us find out what happened to the margarine inside the refrigerator. Look closely and observe. Ask the assistance of your parents or guardians in doing the following activities. Are there any changes that occur? Observe what happens. Let us answer the following statements based from our experiment. Directions. Write the correct word that will make the statement complete. Write your answer in the comment section below. Number 1. Margarine, when placed in a hot pot, will become solid, liquid. If your answer is liquid, what a genius! Number 2. Margarine, when placed on top of a hot pot, will change in shape or smell. If your answer is shape, exceptional. Number 3. Margarine, when heated, will become soft, hard. If your answer is soft, bingo. Number 4. The margarine will harden, melt, when put under the heat of the flame. If your answer is melt, how smart. Number 5. Margarine, when placed inside the freezer, will become solid, liquid. If your answer is solid, thumbs up. Learning circuit. When materials are heated, they change their size, shape, and texture. They also change their forms. When cooled, the liquid materials were changed to solid. Materials like crayons, chocolates, butter, or margarine change its form from solid to liquid when heated. It also changed its size, shape, and texture. The materials such as crayon, chocolate, butter, or margarine change back to its original form from liquid to solid when cooled, but it will no longer return to its original size and shape. After heating the materials, the heat evaporates and cools back again. What's more? Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Leia had her art class and left her crayons outside the house the whole afternoon. What is likely to happen to the crayons? A. It will double its size. B. It will disappear. C. It will melt. If your answer is C, hooray! Number 2. What causes chocolates and crayons to melt? A. Direction of the wind. B. Size, shape, and texture. C. Temperature. If your answer is C, super job! Number 3. Why do butter harden when placed in a refrigerator? A. It has been heated. B. It has been cooled. C. It has been fried. If your answer is B, fantastic! Great! That's the best you've ever done. It's trivia time! Discoveries during the ancient times. Soy sauce is one of the world's oldest condiments and has been used in China for more than 2,500 years. It is made from fermenting a mixture of mashed soybeans, salt, and enzymes. Vinegar. Vinegar was discovered over 10,000 years ago. The shelf life for vinegar is almost indefinite due to its acidic nature. It is self-preserving and does not need refrigeration. Health is wealth, and how can we attain it? Think of home. H. Health has. O. Optimized in. M. Minus with. E. Essential vitamins and minerals. 100% healthy, 100% COVID-free. Heartiest congratulations! I'm proud of the way you worked today. Once again, I'm Teacher Joanne of Parada Elementary School. Thank you for listening. Keep safe and God bless.